Welcome to the basic F sharp chords. Here we're going to play the F sharp major and the F sharp minor chords. I'm going to teach you how they work on the piano, and then we're going to get comfortable how to play all the F sharp chords from top to bottom. So let's begin. The first note we're going to play is F sharp. We're going to play A sharp and C sharp. 1, 3, 5 fingers. Play them all together. That is going to be the F sharp triad major. So we're going to play the first F sharp, then we're going to invert it to A sharp, C sharp, and F sharp. Play it together. So we're going to go from F to A sharp, 1, 2, 5. It's all black keys. It's going to be all black keys for this chord, for this chord. And then we move up to C sharp, F sharp, A sharp. Move up again to F sharp, A sharp, C sharp. So let's review. Go from F sharp, A sharp, C sharp. Move it up to A sharp, C sharp, F sharp. Move it up to C sharp, F sharp, A sharp. And move it up again to F sharp, A sharp, C sharp. And we're going to go down to C sharp, F sharp, A sharp. Move it down again to A sharp, C sharp, F sharp. And down to F sharp, A sharp, C sharp. There's a lot of sharps. Okay, so play one octave until you feel comfortable with all the chords. Just like that. Now, once the right hand's done, we're going to move on to the left hand. So it's going to be the same chords, same notes. It's going to be, and it's all the same fingerings as all the other chords. So if you've been playing all the way till F sharp, you should be kind of comfortable with your fingerings now. So I'm going to play F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, and F sharp. And then we're going to move down. F sharp, C sharp, A sharp, and F sharp. So play with your left hand with one octave until you can find all the notes, you can press all the notes, and you're comfortable with all the notes. Now, when you know the chord with your left hand and you know the chords with your right hand, we're going to put them together and play one octave. So we go play F sharp to A sharp to C sharp to F sharp. And we're going to move down from F sharp to C sharp to A sharp to F sharp. Sorry. There you go. Once you're comfortable playing one octave with two hands, F sharp, now we're going to go for 4 octaves from left to right, up and down, 25 times. There we go. Half of the video is complete. We did the major F sharp chord. Now we're going to go on to the minor F sharp chord. So if we play the major, it's exact like all the other videos. You move the third finger half step down and mix from a major to a minor. And all the fingerings are the same. So in this particular key signature of F sharp, the notes are going to be F sharp, A, and C sharp. And then we move it up to A, C sharp, F sharp. Move it up to C sharp, F sharp, A, and move it up to F sharp, A, C sharp. Once you played it up, we're going to go, so play up again as a review. So F sharp is the bass, A is the bass, C sharp is the bass, and F sharp is the bass. Now we're going to go down from F sharp, A, C sharp to C sharp, F, A, move it down to A, C sharp, F sharp, and down to F sharp, A, C sharp. So play up and down with your right hand one octave until it feels comfortable. Once you feel comfortable with your right hand, then we're going to move to the left hand. Same notes, same scale, same fingerings as always. So we're going to start with F sharp, move up to A, move up to C sharp, move up to F sharp, and we're going to go down. F sharp, down to C sharp, down to A, and down to F sharp. Now, Once your left hand is feeling comfortable, now we can play with two hands. So we start with F sharp to A to C sharp to F sharp. Now down we play F sharp to C sharp to A and down to F sharp. Now, once you feel it comfortable, we're going to play it for 4 octaves, up and down, 25 times. Congratulations, you have completed the F-sharp basic chords. Thank you for watching for this lecture or for this video. Let's move on.